So, what do I wear today? Don't we all have a ton of clothes but still feel like there's nothing to wear? I found this closet management app that keeps track of our clothing and puts together random outfits using AI. I do like picking my own outfits, but to be honest, I run out of creative juice sometimes. Since fall is here, I want to create a capsule wardrobe to mix and match a variety of looks for different occasions, from casual to a little bit preppy. I've picked 3 outer layers, 3 dresses, 4 tops, 4 bottoms, and 3 pairs of shoes. More than half of these are thrifted or hand-me-downs. The rest I try to buy from sustainable brands that made more durable, basic pieces. First fit, I have a cropped argyle sweater, a satin shirt, high-waisted pants, and white sneakers. I'm pairing this fit with a mini backpack and clay earrings in matching colors. This style makes me feel like a college student again, but I still think it's pretty cute. Second fit is basically the same top and bottom with a wool coat and suede loafers. A camo coat is such a fall staple. It's one of the very few items I bought new because I know I'll keep it forever. Paired with a thrifted wool hat, and I have a toned down Christian Girl Autumn inspired fit. Next look is an office appropriate one. Same shirt and loafers, with a double-breasted linen blazer and linen pants. A cup of Starbucks PSL would have been the perfect accessory for this fit. I didn't even notice that details like the fabric and buttons match perfectly, so kudos to AI for picking up on that. We are going for a more casual preppy look with this next fit. Cotton turtleneck for my ex, thank you next. Vintage bell sleeve cardigan and a denim slit midi skirt. My friend left her purse in my car, so it's mine for the day. I think this is the most wearable fit and I feel like my most comfy self in it. Same turtleneck, but a whole different vibe. Belt is made of recycled leather. I have this vintage leather jacket my mom bought in the 80s, so it's probably 20 years older than me. For some reason, wearing leather fashion with sunnies always makes me feel like a baddie. Even when I dress it down with linen pants and sneakers like this fit. For a very long time, I would only buy vegan leather, but then I learned that vegan leather is just glorified plastic. I still do not buy new leather, but I'm now fine with used. I'm not wasting perfectly good resources that's already there, and I'm not generating new demands for more animals to be killed. To be honest, I think I made the game way too easy for AI. I've already curated a capsule wardrobe anyway, so any combination would have looked at least half decent. I do believe though that this would be a very fun tool to use if you have a lot of items, and I also enjoy how the app is very straightforward and easy to use. You basically just take a photo of the piece of clothing and it automatically removes the backgrounds and places them into categories, and I find that the app is most of the time pretty accurate. However, one of the limitations that I notice is that if I want to create a 4-piece combination, none of my dresses would be available. The only option where I could get my dresses used would be when I make a 2-piece combo, which means I'm limited to a combination of 3 dresses and 3 pairs of shoes. Another thing is that AI only recognizes one category for each item, so obviously it does not know that some kind of dresses can be worn like an outer layer, such as this. Now, if you're basic like me, you can almost never go wrong with all black. But not all shades of black are made equal. I recently learned that my color season is muted autumn, which means a high contrast jet black would basically drown me, while a lower contrast black which is slightly faded or has a brown tint would be more flattering for my complexion. If you're new to seasonal color analysis, there are many quizzes online that will help you find the best color palette. I use a South Korean app called Colorlover, and I love how it gives me fashion recommendations and 2 alternative color palettes to choose from. It's made for East Asians, by the way, so some white and other BIPOC folks won't have the correct hair and skin color option though. I hope they will make a more inclusive version soon. Anyway, my secondary color palette is light spring, and in theory, this means I look good in warm tone pastels. So, for this ecru beige dress, I pair it with the off-white cardigan, white sneakers, and this handmade linen headband with embroidered flowers, matching my hair color. I don't think AI closet management apps like these are capable of incorporating color season analysis or something like the Kibi body types in their suggestions yet, so human stylists are still sticking around for a long time. And because this AI tool only allows me to shuffle a maximum of 4 items per look, it also sucks at layering. If I'm already wearing something labeled as an outer layer, it's not gonna suggest that I wear another jacket. It also doesn't know that I can pop a sweater over a dress so it looks like a skirt. Or the other way around, where I can wear a longer skirt over a dress so it looks like I'm wearing a tucked-in shirt. I know the skirt I'm wearing isn't the best match because of the slit, but you get the idea. I'd say that AI is cool, but rather than relying fully on it to dress you, use some intuition and lots of accessories to make the outfit unique to yourself. Stay beautiful, peace and love.